In the video introducing markup on selling price, I mentioned that manufacturers tend to use markup on cost and retailers tend to use markup on selling price. Now imagine you're a salesperson that has to deal with both of them. It can get pretty confusing when one's using markup on cost, the other one's using markup on selling price. So it would be nice to have a formula to be able to convert from one to the other. First, we're going to look at converting from markup on cost to markup on selling price. And the formula is going to be percent markup on selling price equals percent markup on cost divided by 100% plus the percent markup on cost. So if we look at an example, if a manufacturer uses a percent markup on cost of 40%, what is the percent markup on selling price? So we plug it into the formula. 40% divided by 100% plus 40%, or 40% divided by 140%, will give us a percent markup on selling price of 28.57%. What about going the other way? So converting from markup on selling price to markup on cost, again we're going to have a formula, percent markup on cost equals percent markup on selling price divided by 100% minus the percent markup on selling price. Now you'll notice that the two formulas are pretty similar. One way to help remember which one's which is that the percent markup on cost should always be a higher percentage than the percent markup on selling price. So if you plug it into the wrong formula, you'll notice that you have the wrong value. Let's look at an example with this formula. So a retailer uses a percent markup on selling price of 25%. What is the percent markup on cost? We plug it into the formula. 25% divided by 100% minus 25% should be 25% divided by 75%, or 33.33%. Now remember what I said, percent markup on cost should always be higher than percent markup on selling price, and indeed that's the case for this example.